We'll guide you through how to multi-stream on OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's convenient to be able to go and stream to multiple platforms at once, so we'll guide you through how it's done with OBS. To get started, go and close it like so. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice, and you want to go and search for something called Multiple RTMP OBS. So this is an add-on we're going to go and get. As you can see, here it is. Go to the top right and you can press go to download, scroll down until you get to assets. And what you want to do is go and find the installer. It has been blocked here, but I'll click on it and press download file. I've used this before. Find it in your downloads and you can then go and run it like this. After you've installed it, you want to go and open up OBS again. Go to the bottom right and you need to go and press settings like this. And you want to go to the left and you can then go and select stream. So what you need to do is go and add one of the streaming services you want to use in here. So in this case, I've already got set up Twitch, but you could go and use a different platform at the top here. So once you've done that and you've added in your stream key, you find that on the OBS site, or you can connect it, press apply and press OK. Now we can start adding in the other platforms. To do that, go to the top and press docs, and you need to go and find multiple output. Click on it and it will open up. Now what we need to do is go and press add new target like so, and we can start adding it. So at the top, we can go and give this a name. I like to go and name it the service I want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use YouTube. Now what we need to do is get the URL and the stream key. So we can go and head to YouTube for that. I'll press create in the top right and press go live. Now we can scroll down and find the stream key and also the stream URL. So I'll grab the URL, then we can return and go and get the stream key. I don't change anything else, and we can then go and press OK like that. Then we can go and add another one as well. For example, I could go and add Kick. Come to Kick and you can press your profile icon in the top right and press on dashboard. And then you can come over to the left and go and press channel, and you can press stream URL and key. And then what we need to do is go and reveal it by pressing the I. You can use the copy button to the right and you can then paste it in, and you can then go and press OK, like so. Go and add in your different sources. I'm just doing a display capture here for this example. Now what we can do is first of all start streaming on the servers we've added into OBS as you usually would. Then you can come to the multiple output here and you can go and press start all or press start on each one. I'll do start all, and now we're going to be going live. You can see on Kick we're live, and we're also live on YouTube and Twitch. Leave a like if you found this useful.